The best waterproof cameras for 2023. Best for beginners, Olympus TUF TG6. Now in its sixth iteration, Olympus's top-end rugged camera, the TUF TG6, has been our default recommendation in the category since 2012. The TG6 can go as deep as 50 feet underwater, has a bright f2 lens with a stellar macro function, and records video at 4K quality. Other highlights include a tough outer shell, Wi-Fi support, and a 4x zoom lens. Best for action, GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the company's latest and best action camera. It records 60 FPS at 5.3K, double the resolution of 4K, plus supports 4K 120 and 1080p 240 for ultra-slow motion captures. GoPro goes a bit crazy with some feature names, but hyper-smooth stabilization lives up to its billing, and the front-facing color screen is handy for vloggers. Best low-cost GoPro, GoPro Hero 8 Black. If you can't stomach the GoPro Hero 11 Black's high price, the Hero 8 is a solid, more affordable alternative. It offers everything you need from a basic action cam, including 4K 60 capture and hyper-smooth stabilization. It's also waterproof to 33 feet and integrates mounting clips, though you do give up some of the higher-end video features of the Hero 11. Best for deep dives, Sealife Micro 3.0. The Sealife Micro 3.0 is a fun camera for divers and snorkelers. It includes a wide-angle lens, a 200-foot depth rating, and big buttons that are easy to press even if you are wearing gloves. It snaps 16 megapixels photos and can record video at 4K or 1080p. Add-on lights that also work at extreme depths mean you can shed light on subjects in murky waters, too. Best 360 camera for creators, Insta360 X3. If you want to change up the style of your underwater footage, take a look at the dual-lens Insta360 X3. The waterproof action camera records spherical video that you can reframe with an editing app, plus has a single lens mode for regular video. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to purchase any of these products.